Akin Ka Na Lang, just one of the many songs from the Itchy Worms' monumental Noontime Show album. Join me, Gary Springfield, as True Blue Music Stories presents the truth behind the Itchy Worms' breakup some 40-odd years ago.
It was a bad breakup. We were recording Akin Ka Na Lang back in 1966. And this girl entered the scene. Her name was Lolita Morales.
It was a circus, you know. Magulo. Isipin mo. Isang combo ng mga kelots. Pinagkaguluhan. Isang bebots. I don't regret breaking up with those fellows.
I was never really involved in the fights, but you know, on the fourth day, as you mentioned, we almost came to blows. You know, Jugs and Jazz, they were throwing papers around, the lyrics, you know, throwing the pencils around, and he actually pointed the pencil at me, and I wanted to sue him. You know.
But not everyone knows the song Akin Ka Na Lang is very symbolic. Do you know that song? Akin Ka Na Lang. That was written by, well, the lyrics were written by me. Just listen to the song and you'll feel the passion and the hurt and the conflict in it.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan, di ka niya mahal talaga. Sayang lang ang buhay mo kung mapupunta ka lang sa kanya. Iiwanan ka lang yan, mag-ingat ka. Dagdag ka lamang sa milyong-milyong babae na. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman ako bolero, katulad ng ibang tao. Ang totoo'y pag nandyan ka, medyo nabubulol pa nga ako. Malangis lang ang dila niyan hanggang madala. Dahan-dahan ka lang, baka pati ika'y mabiktima. Huwag naman sana, akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman sa sinisiraan ko ang pangit na yan. Huwag ka dapat sa'kin magduda, hindi kita pababayaan. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Liligaya ka sa pag-ibig ko. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Akin ka na lang.
Is there any chance of you guys, the Worms, having a reunion soon?
As you know, I think malabo na yun because we've had our differences and we're in different fields right now, and you know, we have really different lives. I don't think that would be possible at all. You know,
Hoy! Yung binabayaran mo kayo? Anong ginagawa mo dito? Magtrabaho kayo lahat!